friends, welcome back to Zero to Awesome, where this week we're running at about zero. So yeah, it's Labor Day weekend, which means we didn't labor.
We tried. We even rolled the project out here, and then we remembered Labor Day is for not laboring.
So if you're hoping for a big camper build, genius DIY idea, or just us breaking something on accident,
Don't worry, that's coming, but not this weekend, because this weekend we're exercising our constitutional right to procrastinate. Remember, sometimes the most important project is the grill.
we'll see you next week when we go from
Zero to awesome. Who stocked the cooler with only pickle beer?